Hey guys, welcome back to 4Runner Lifestyle. Today we're going to be showcasing our 4Runner Lifestyle Fang lights. We're going to talk about our white, our amber, and our switchback white as well to help you determine which ones will be best for your 4Runner. We're just going to take each Fang light and we're going to tap them each to the battery just to kind of show you what the difference is between the three to help you decide which ones you'd like. If you'd like to see an installation video of these, we'll link a video right here that will show you how to install these. This is a very temporary solution just to show you the difference in the colors. Okay, the cool thing about these is unlike some other brands, all of them will go with your blinker. So this is the white one, and when it blinks, it will just blink white on and off. Obviously, it will be more even than us just tapping it up against the positive terminal. So this is our switchback option. It's a white DRL, but when you turn on your blinker, it will blink in amber that will match your light. And obviously, again, it'll be more smooth than us just pushing this up against the terminal. We love this switchback option, especially if you don't have an amber DRL or if you're still using the OEM headlights. This is a great option because it will match really well with your lighting. And then when you do turn on your blinker that is amber, it will blink amber with your blinker. So this one, just like the ones that are on this 4Runner itself, are an amber DRL and it just goes perfectly with the headlights. And then this one obviously blinks amber with your lights. All three of these lights are a great upgrade. They definitely add some more attitude to the front of your 4Runner. I love them personally. The purpose of this video was to show you the three different lights and to show you how they work and for you to see which ones will work the best for you. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know down in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this and what kind of videos you'd like to see, what kind of comparisons that we could do for you. If you'd like to buy any of these 4Runner Lifestyle Fang lights, all three of them will be linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to like and subscribe.